Hey guys, Mr. Goliath here, just looking at a couple quick things here. So, when it comes to your topic, uh, it's up to you what you want to do. All seven of these are at play. Notice the seven is basically wide open to anything you want. There's samples to look at. Just a couple quick thoughts before you guys start. So, obviously, we're back in Piscal. There's a couple things I forgot, or at least didn't get covered in the Space Invaders. The one, the bucket, if I have enclosed objects like this, I can click and, you can pick different colors to kind of fill that. So same with the head. And then obviously if I just wanted a regular background, just like we did in the Space Invaders, you can do something like that. So my best tips for you are using the layer tools and adding. You're probably going to end up like 4 or 5. What's nice about the layer tools is when I get to the hand tool and I start moving my layers, now you notice my background's moving too, so I should have had a separate layer for that. But just using that tool on a specific layer, it makes it so much easier. And why does that matter? Because we're going to use duplicate. Use duplicate is probably the best tip I have for you. So let's say I didn't do the background, I could slightly move this weird creature, whatever that's supposed to be, but then I can just erase part of the legs, and I can, start making movements and make it really easy. So that's a couple quick ones. Let's go back up here. Things we didn't look at last time, flip vertically. This is a really cool tool. If I just click this, look, it totally switches direction. There's a lot of use for that tool. Also, let's say I had a character and he was going to jump. We could start rotating him on different slides, and you get the idea. So that can be useful. You can, let's say you make something late in the process, you can clone that layer to all the frames by clicking that button, which could be really helpful. Last one is if I click this, it will center everything, which can be helpful. Last thing. When you get started, remember, I resized mine again. I would go with about 128 by 128. I think the resizing is super important. It gives you more space to draw, and it's easier to create that way. So we are saving to our gallery, just like we did last time. So I would click Save, and make sure I'm saving that on. Oh, I didn't log in, so it's not even letting me. So that's why it's not showing up. So make sure you sign into your account, which is also super important. So you get to pick your topic. You're going to get 2 days to work on this, and I look forward to seeing your creations. Good luck.